María García Esperón is a well-known. Andreas Aerakis is a very good friend, first of all, of mine, a brother of mine. He is a record producer. Anna Logkaki, she lives in Buenos Aires. She is a philologist and translator.
Photograph. The title is Το Άζιον Όνειρον, Ioannis.
Ελληνικότητα το Αΐζον Όνειρον. Or Grecia Siempre.
Sí.